Debra Lee Baldwin at Hidden Agave Nursery. Jeremy Spath there on the left, and Jeff Moore on the right. Jeff with Solana Succulents, 28 years in Solana Beach, California. And Jeremy, how many years now with Hidden Agave?
Well, we broke ground here 2 years ago.
Well, show us around. Let's see.
Okay, let's take a look.
Are you wondering why Jeff Moore joined us? He and Jeremy have big news. They're going to share it with us in just a few minutes.
For this ground cover, that needs to get into cultivation.
Absolutely.
Time Phyla.
Yeah. Blue Flame crossed with Ismensis. Okay. There's another one right here that's kind of interesting actually, because this one almost has like a thicker leaf about it. See, the leaves are almost chubby.
Whoa.
But that's also from the same seed batch.
Wow. Oh, I love that fat leaf.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Is it scabrous? Does it have the texture too?
It's
No, it's smooth.
No, it's smooth. Oh, I smell the sages.
Like kids grew up with this stuff, getting spiked by a plant is a good life lesson. You know.
Well, I'll tell you, my kids who are all under 8 can spot a spiny plant from like a mile away.
Yeah. No, you learn.
Jeremy began his horticultural career at the San Diego Botanic Garden. Hidden Agave is north of San Diego in Escondido on 7.5 acres. Typical of the region, rain falls mainly in winter and late summer heat can reach triple digits.
So they're storing their water to stave off, a drought periods. And of course, other animals are thirsty and want to come drink that water. So they want to come eat plants. And this makes it painful to bite. Agaves make self-defense look beautiful.
Yeah, cacti doing the same thing.
Right, exactly.
There's a school of thought with cacti that the spines radiate heat away from the plant too.
That's right.
Jeremy's garden is an important way for him to evaluate plants he's grown from seed or from tissue culture. Boulders enhance the garden's aesthetic and create sheltered pockets for young plants. Rocks also keep soil moist and cool, which helps roots. You'll see Dudleyas among the agaves, succulents native to California and Baja that are another of Jeremy's interests. Jeremy crossbreeds agaves to create new and desirable cultivars. Agaves are native to the Americas, mainly Mexico. Most in Jeremy's garden are hybrids not found in nature. Exceptions include Agave Shawii, Agave Montana, and Agave Horrida, which despite its name is stunningly beautiful. Jeremy sells his seed-grown and tissue-cultured agaves through his website, hiddenagave.com. You can also visit the nursery. Please note it's by appointment only, and select from the specimens in his impressive greenhouse.
I mean, really growing agaves, probably about 10 years.
Yeah.
About 10 years. I was just getting into it when you first wrote your book, because you did a talk at Quail when I worked there.
Exciting news! They've got a book coming out on agaves.
Well, yeah, I've done 4 books so far, and I thought I was getting close to being done, but Jeremy, that was like 2 or 3 years ago, he kept posting his photos, even before he had his ranch here, these beautiful agaves from his habitat trip. I wanted to put them in a book. And he said, well, let's do one together. And we hope to have it by fall of this year, 2021.
So I've known Jeff a long time. I've known him before he was doing his books, you know. I actually, his undersea garden at Quail was just such an out-of-the-box thinking for me that I've always loved that and always looked up to him for landscaping.
Jeremy, you've been all over the world. Well, obviously the New World, looking at agaves.
He's been to habitat. He's been all over Mexico. He has the habitat experience. This book is about habitat and cultivation. So he would write the species accounts for all the species, these wonderful things that he's seen in habitat. And I would write the accounts for some of the ones that we are more familiar in cultivation. So.
Okay, so we can look forward to a book that introduces us to where these plants actually come from and how we might be able to enjoy them in our own gardens.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's not been done.
Yeah, well, the challenge in these kind of books is there's the scholarly tomes that really, you know, it's all about the plants, very scientific and kind of hard to read. And then there's the enthusiast who wants to learn, can I grow this here in California? What does it take? How big does it get? What's new?
Where can people get it?
Go to hiddenagaveranch.com. Is that the?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
They'll be sold on the website.
Succulents.com. We'll sell them on our website. They ultimately will end up going to, some of them will go to a distributor that gets them out to the Amazons and the Barnes and Nobles. But we make almost no money if you go that way. So try to buy the books from the authors first if you can. Or visit us at our nurseries. We'll both have them at the nursery.
Yeah.